Tom Horne jaywalking. Tom Horne jaywalking. Mr. Horne, let's chat for a minute. Were you over at the Mexican consulate visiting? Were you visiting the Mexican consulate?
No.
What do you think about them not having identifications for the Mexicans? They don't have any IDs for the Mexicans.
Well, I don't comment on that, but I can tell you that I know the Mexican consul. I think he does an excellent job.
But they don't have any identifications that they can present, so they're unprotected. They're not giving protection to the Mexican people.
Okay,
Their primary function in the Arizona is to give Mexicans protection. There's no protection.
Well,
what do you think might be the resolution for that?
Send me something on it and I'll study it.
Let me ask you something. What about ethnic studies? As long as you have you here, are you still hell-bent on removing ethnic studies from Tucson?
I'm against dividing kids by race. I think all kids should be taught together, and they should be taught to teach each other as individuals and not based on what race they were born into.
I know you've been supportive of Russell Pierce in the past as far as being Senate President. How do you feel about this recall effort?
I have endorsed Russell Pierce.
Is Olivia Cortez a sham candidate or candidate put up to dilute the vote, do you think?
That's something that's being resolved in a civil action. We haven't gotten involved.
Would it be appropriate to put somebody up to dilute the vote?
It would all depend on the circumstances, but we haven't gotten involved in that. That's being resolved in a civil lawsuit.
Anything else you might want to say to the Mexican people, just in general?
Yeah, that I really think on the ethnic studies issue, it's very important that we all treat each other as individuals, and that we don't have kids arrive at school and be divided by race. You belong to this race, you go to that class. You belong to that race, you go to this class. We need to bring all the kids together, teach them together, teach them to treat each other as individuals, teach them about the contributions of different groups historically. That was in the standards that I established as superintendent of schools. But not divide them and only teach them about the contributions of their own group. Teach all kids about the contributions of all groups, and most important, teach them to treat each other as individuals.
There's European history. You think that it's maybe double standard?
No, it's world history. And in world history, we teach them about the history of all different countries.